Welcome to the channel. Maurice Bay, Moorish American National. Let me hurry up and drop this and get on out of here. This is called the Declaration of 1959, the rights of a child. Alright? These are the Declaration of the Rights of a Child that is actually official state law, universal law, and every other right that a child has. Alright, I want you to go and read this. So go to Google, type in Declaration of 1959, the rights of a child. I want you to go and read it. I'm going to give you a little briefing of it. Well, I'm going to give you the whole thing. I'm going to give you a briefing. I'll give you the whole thing. You know, if you don't have the document, go and get the document. If you need a document, reach out to me. You can also reach out to the Moorish brothers and sisters as well to get this document. And it's public information. Definitely go and check it out. Let me go over it. Okay, you can read it. You can pause the video. And therefore you can write it down if you want. You can pause the video, however you want to do it. Like I said, you can also, like I said, reach out to us, and we'll definitely get you a copy. You need to have this document in your archives or in your library. These are the rights of a child. Okay. It also goes along with the Constitution. We're gonna talk about that, the Declaration of Independence, and all these other documents with the divine principles. And these are principles, all right? And it reads that you can read right here where it says the General Assembly. I want you to read that. I want you to read Principle 1, 2. Let's go over Principle 3. The child should be entitled from his birth to a name and a nationality. I want everybody who visit this video, everybody who is a living, breathing human being, I want you to go look up the definition of nationality. You need to know this one word and what it represents. I want you to go check that out. So I just told you in Principle 3 right here that the child should be entitled from his birth to a name and a nationality. So if you want a nationality, it's your right to have a nationality. Alright? And we talk about the reason why you need a nationality and what it is, and you know what a nationality is. Once you look up the word, you're gonna piece everything together. Go check out Principle 4. The child should enjoy the benefits of the Social Security. He shall be entitled to grow and develop in health. To this end, special care and protection shall be provided both to him and to his mother, including adequate prenatal and postnatal care. The child should have the right to adequate nutrition, housing, recreation, and medical services. I want y'all to go check out the principles. It's very important. It's very important to your existence on this planet to understand this document and to have a copy of this document and to read over and know this document and be able to articulate it and be able to convey it. Okay, the message. Okay, these are principles. This is law. Okay, I'm teaching you about your rights. Right, called civics. Right, teach you about your rights and the things that are secured by the Constitution. All right. People don't normally have rights. The Constitution is a document that have done the work and secured your unalienable rights, right? That's different from privileges. That's different from the 14th Amendment. All right. So the people who think the 14th Amendment is relevant, let me tell you, it's unconstitutional. If it ain't, matter of fact, a lot of anything after the 7 articles, if it ain't 7 articles from first article to 7, and when you go to 8th Amendment and anything after that, all of that stuff is unconstitutional. Okay, I'm telling you that right now. But you don't know that because nobody ever told you that, and then the ones that did tell you that, you don't believe that, and if you did believe it, you know what I'm saying, you won't be in this mess that we're in. We're supposed to be represented the right way, and we're not represented. So, you know, without that representation, everything else is null and void and dead. So, sixth principle, you know, check out the fifth principle, sixth principle, seventh principle. Here you go. You can read it yourself. All right, you can read it yourself. All right, you ain't got to wait on a document. You can sit down right on a video, check it out, read it yourself, make your comments. This is your rights, and it pertains to you. And this is your sacred document. You should have a copy before any book literature that you have in your library. Okay, this is principle number 10. Okay, roll up my camera's kinda. See if I can get that focus back for y'all. Come on, focus. Lost my focus. Alright, there we go. Alright, principle 10. This original document here is for my Moorish brothers and sisters. Alright, we not hiding nothing, we not sugarcoating nothing. This is from the Moorish movement. Go get to work. Alright. So you have the document. Show you some other things here. Alright. This is the woman. So the woman, this is you. Alright. The mother of all mothers, the woman. Alright. Also got the signs in there: Gemini, Taurus, Capricorns, Virgos, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Libra, Leo, Cancer. All of it is in the woman. Pisces, Aries. Aries is the head. Alright. Go check it out. So, like I said, you got the document. Definitely do your research and pull up the information. Declaration of 1959, the rights of the child. You should have this. These are the actual. This is actual written and stored and archived by the government, and you should know about it, and you should have it in your lineup and a part of your library. This is your rights. This is your children's rights. Like I told you, your child has a right to nationality. So if somebody say, you know, because most people, they don't have nationalities. They're stateless people, right? That means that they don't identify with anything. And to get you out of that, you know, you have a right. So don't let them tell you that. We'll talk about the birth certificate and all that too. I'll bring that back. Let's talk about all those contracts. And how they steal your rights, you know, with those contracts. And a lot of these documents, you got to watch the slave clauses, because there are a lot of slave clauses throughout a lot of these documents. This stuff is written, you know, and documented as fact and rights. So that's already secure. That, you know, they already done the work to put this stuff in effect. You know, so these are the things you need to know. Don't worry about you telling them what your rights are. You go back and you use and read the backstory. You know, the underline of a word, and you use that against them. You know, that's how you do it. You know what I'm saying? So these are your child's rights. So thank you for, you know, being a part of the channel. Thank you. You know, we trying to hit, you know, 100 subscribers. We got little goals, you know, and it's not big. You know, we get over, you know, more than 100 subscribers. You know, it's always a blessing. And like I said, we always want you to share, like, and like I said, click that bell notification as well, because when I do these new videos, you'll get it. You know what I mean? And right now, my goal is to help, you know, build our people up. You know, I'm not charging for anything. If you want to donate, fine. You know, we'll have some stuff set up where you can make donations. But right now, we basically trying to get the information out, and help each other, and build. Our goal is to build. It's deeper than this, so we want land, we want the gold, we want the things that really get you out of this this illusion that you have here, and that's what it is illusion. You know what I mean? And we want everything natural. We want to be the natural people. We want to be the indigenous, how we supposed to be. We don't want to be fabricated with any kind of color of law or anything of such. So check out the video, get back to me. My battery getting low, and I'll do another video on the next one. Like, share, subscribe. I'm Maurice Bay, and I'm out.